morning everyone. I'm Marnie Vitanyo and I'm going to present what is programming and logic. So, kini nga presentation which is maghatag og kasayuran kung unsa ang computer or unsaon po nato ni paggamit sa usa ka trabaho and mga uban importante sa usa ka computer. So, at the end of this presentation, makasabot ta or unsa ang computer and yun sa ang computer paggamit sa usa ka binary system and what are the other rules of computing or decision making or any trends sa computer that will change us in the future. So since in this generation we use technologies especially computer, so makatabang ni so in the future or any changes in the future. So let's start. Okay, first, what is a computer? So, computer, a programmable machine that processes information. So, in short, usa ka makina ga-process og usa ka data or datos. So, inside of it, there we have a CPU, memory, storage, input, and the output. So, one of the example of this is mga cellphones or cell phones, laptops, or any smart devices. So since they are include sa usa ka computer kay tungod kay nag-process pud sila og usa ka data o gahatag pud sila og usa ka output. So that is computer. Okay, next is why logic matters. So logic underpins problem solving, programming, and decision making in computing. So one of the example of this is the algorithms and how computers think. Okay, so in short, logic is mao ni ang ga-control or kung giyon sa pagproseso ang computer sa usa ka data. So gagamit kini og mga algorithm which is what we call the step by steps nga mga instructions aron masulbad ang usa ka problema. So one of the example of this is Google search. Kumbaga mo type kag pangutana and they will provide or mopili sila sa angayan nga tubag sa imong questions or imong pangutana. Okay, next is the classifications of computers. So, nani upat ka categories. Kumbaga, pinakauna is ang supercomputers, sunod mainframes, mini computers, o microcomputers. So, unsa day ang supercomputers? So, ang iyang characteristics ani kumbaga is extremely powerful or used for simulations, weather forecast. So, example is IBM Summit. So in short, ang supercomputers is kumbaga ang pinakakusog og dako nga computer ni. So mao na ang supercomputers. Next is the mainframes. So characteristics of it which is they handle large scale transactions. So kumbaga ginagamit siya sa mga dagkong negosyo ug mga gobyerno. So other uses of this is kumbaga mga banking, airlines, government data and processing. So that is one of the example of mainframes. Next is microcomputer. So pinaka-common sa ato karon. So example is the personal computer. So ginatawag nato nga PC. So kini kumbaga mga ginagamit sa balay, opisina o mga purpose education. So example sa home, office or gaming. So and education. So what that is the microcomputers. Okay, last is the mini computers. So it has a mid-sized computer, a small version of mainframes. So in size and power, mini computers lie between workstations and mainframe. So in short, ang mini computers is pinakagamay kaysa mainframes pero mas kusog kaysa microcomputers. Mauna ang mini computers. Okay, so mao to mga klase sa mga computers na gabase sa kadagko or gagamyon or unsa ang ilang paggamit or unsay purpose nilang upat. Okay, next is ang binary system. So, kung unsa di ang binary? So, binary which is ga-compose ni two numbers which is zeros and ones. So, it's a fundamental sa computing. So, ang computer kumbaga is pagsabot is dili lang letra or any numbers. Pwede po siya binary which is moto 0 and 1 which is ga-compose og duha ka numbers. So, kini nga system which is ang purpose ani is gigamit sa pagtipig or pagproseso or mo ni ang pagpadala sa data sa sulod sa usa ka computer. So example of the binary code, we have the switch on and off. So imong on which is the 1 and imong off which is the 0. So tanan, so which is ang tanan sa computer is mahimong binary. Sunod is ang bits and bytes. So definition, 1 bit is the smallest unit of data and 1 byte is 8 bits. So equivalent of 8 bits. Foundation of digital data storage and processing. So in short, ang pagsabot ani which is ang bit or the binary digits ang pinakagamay nga unit sa data sa computer which is ang mao ginatawag nga 0 or 1. While the byte is naglangkob og 8 bits ug usa ka byte makasagop og usa ka letter or isa ka symbols. So example of this is conversion of 1 byte. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobytes or what we call the KB is equivalent siya sa 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte or what we call the MB is equivalent to 1024 kilobyte. And 1 gigabyte or GB is 1024 MB. So, mao na ang bits in byte. Okay, so diri na ta sa decimal to binary conversion. So, here are the step-by-step process to convert decimal numbers into binary. So, before from that, so unsa diyan decimal? So, decimal which is it has a base of 10. So, nagamit siya sa starting from 0 to 9. So, 0 is the start. So, think of it na 1 lang siya, taman sa 9. So, equal to 10. So, decimal is base of 10. While ang binary, so, before, which is 0 and 1, so, gigamit siya pag-divide sa decimal. So, morning step by step. So, the decimal, which is decimal sa 10, gi-convert to binary, which is 1010. So, ang decimal na to which is ang 10, so i-divide na nimog to which is binary ang atong to. So 10 divide to equal to 5, so we have remainder is 0. Now ang imong 5 i-divide na pud nimo to into another 2 which is 2, you have remainder 1. Ang nga imong equal nga to i-divide na pud nimo into another 2, so equal into 1, remainder 0. So since binary man ta which is 0 and 1 and atong equal is 1 pa man, wala pa man ni hit og 0, magpadayon pa ta. So 1 is divide into another 2 na pod which is 0, remainder 1. So mo na yung equal nimo which is 1010. Pero ang pagbasa nimo na is start bottom from the top which is 1010. So mao na ni imong kuan total which is 1010. Okay, next is the binary to decimal conversion. So ang kuan nandiay ani is i-reverse the process to convert binary numbers into decimal. So ang example binary nato ganina is 1010. Now i-convert na po nato ni balik into decimal which is 10. Ang imong buhaton na kay ang binary man nato is 1010. So kani butang 1010. So decimal so ang decimal is i-convert man datong binary gamit ang 1 to the power of 0 and so on to the power of 1 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. Then calculate dayon nimo to the power 3 is 8, bring down 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, and 2 to the power 0 which is equal to 1. Then pag umani mo nagkuan times na pud na nimo. So 1 times 8 8, 0 times 4 0, 1 times 2 is 2, and 0 times 1 is 0. Then i-add nimo na sila upat which is 10. So imong binary nga 1010, ang decimal is 10.